Oh, good morning everybody, no time check, 9:30. So today, dadalhin natin yung bike na nabili ko dito. Used yan, Giant Stance. Papacheck natin sa Aloha Cyclery. May nakausap akong Pilipino dito sa Hawaii. So maganda yung review niya. So ngayon, pupunta tayo. So mamaya papakita ko sa kanya yung store tsaka yung process. So today pumalik tayo dun sa bike shop dahil nung dinala ko meron siyang parts hindi pwede, so nag-order pa ako online, no? Hopefully mauwi natin today para magamit na sa trail. So everybody, time check, it's 15:20. So ngayon dumating ako dito sa bike shop na to. Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung paano ko nakita to. So dumating ako June, no? After a few months, 4 months na ako dito, nag-avail ako ng bike used second hand. And then, hanap ako ng hanap online kung saan pwede ang ipaayos. Kasi wala akong tools naiwan ko sa Pilipinas. So, luckily, may nakita akong video, sinundan ko. Eto na, oh. Tumawag ako sa phone, not knowing, meron tayong kababayan, no? Na professionally nagbabike mechanic dito sa Hawaii. See? So, eto yung bike. Iniwan ko sa kanya. And then, eto tatanungin ko na siya. Hello, magandang hapon. Siya po si Jen. Jen, could you tell a little background naman? Paano, kailan ka dumating dito? And then, paano ka nakapasok into mountain biking?
So, yung lola ko, she petitioned us back in 2004. So, I came here when I was like 11 years old. And then my dad was always into mountain biking, motocross, and that's how I really got into it. And then when I came here, in my teen years, I started working at like a bike shop. And then from there, I got a scholarship and decided to start on my own. And here I am because they wanted to bring in more women in the industry. So yeah, I got the scholarship with that. And started Aloha Cyclery, and I just always love bikes because it's so much fun. Yeah. So what we have here is a hang tool for the hanger here, because just by looking at it, it's kind of slightly bent. Yeah. So we're just gonna align it a little bit.
So yon, that's the reason, no? That's the reason hinanap kong pilit kasi when I got the bike, medyo roughed up na yung bike So prefer ko talaga yung mag-aayos sa kanya, talagang in-depth sa mountain biking. So Jen, how much kaya to? Sa dollars pala, magkano to? 4,000 yan. I-convert natin sa peso na lang at 55. So mahal. So yung peso ni Jen kasi, work in progress, no Jen, we could say? Yeah. Yan.
Kasi nangyari yung COVID, diba?
Oo.
Day,
Oo. So, ang magandang gamit niya, park tool, oh. So, talagang ito yung gusto lang nagma-mountain bike, no? If ito ay customer mo to, no? Itong isang to. Alright. Siya ay naka-whitey na electric. Ito yung bike ni Jen. Sabi ko nga, Jen, yung bike mo parang medium o large. Kasi ang laking tingnan 29er ito na propane. Anong model to?
Fresh.
Alright. Oo, kasi electric na Usually, dinadagdagan nila, binabago nila. So, ayun. So, sabi ko, Jen, i-video kita. Sabi niya, nahihiya ako. Sabi ko, don't be shy. Kasi nga, nasa pareho natin ni hilig, no? And then siya, oo nga pala, mamaya ipopost ko yung Instagram niya. Makikita niyo yung mga rides niya, yung mga bikes, everything. Yan. So, just in case, yung mga may maliligaw dito sa Hawaii, no? Dala niyo yung bike niyo. Jen, nga pala, eventually ba magpaparent ka ulit ng bikes?
Oo.
Kasi nabasa ko doon sa post, yung comment ng tao sa'yo.
Kona.
Yung Kona, okay. Mga Kona process, ganun. So, more enduro downhill din.
Yes. Enduro, trail, pero
ayan, no?
A lot of planning to do.
Oo nga Talagang
I put like a new sealant inside.
Yun.
Kasi walang sealant.
Oo nga
Tapos yung brake mo, spongy.
Oo.
Nagbo-bottom out.
Binilid mo na lang.
Yeah, I bled it already.
Pinata mo ng oil lahat?
Yeah.
Wow, kita mo na. So, yan. Thank
so
you,
I
Jen.
did that for you.
Yun.
And then, kind of just like wipe the stanchion over here, because the dirt.
Okay.
But we're gonna set it up based on your weight.
Yep.
And do all that.
Thank
now,
you.
I just soak up the chain, so I'm gonna wash the chain and like put it
All
all
right.
together.
See?
But I don't know if it's like pre-cut or not.
Aha, we'll see. Oo, baka kaya kumakinain eh. So, ayun, no. Sayang eh, kasi nag-spend na tayo on bike, on parts. So, better talaga, professional na yung gagawa. Yan. So, ito ay Giant Stance. Year 2020, no. Size ko, size medium. 27.5. For me, okay na ako dito. So, mostly stock. Ewan ko na kung ano yung in-upgrade. Pero nilagyan niya ng dropper post eh. Yan. Ito pa ibang bikes na.